first up, here we go. We're just having a little bit of a look around. So we've got the suspension in, brakes are back on all the way around. I've just got to rejig the manifold on there for the bolts, and slightly different head fittings on these heads. There's the old motor there, ready to go back, and then what looks like a classic mess. It will only take me about 5 minutes to get all that back on, but we're getting there slowly. So we've booked the dyno for Friday and test day Saturday at Sandown, which I've got to get organised, but we're getting there, nearly. Wheels ready to go. The other wheels are down at the tyre change. So new set of wheels, new tyres, and ready to go shortly.